just want to thank the Nampa community, all of our parents here in the Nampa School District, and the people who came out and voted. Your support is huge for our district. It keeps great teachers in the classroom and all the momentum that we have specifically here at Columbia going straight up in our athletics, our activities, and all of the programs that we have. So thank you for keeping that going and voting yes for our Nampa kids.
Thank you for supporting the levy and supporting our students. Without the community support, we as educators could not do the work that we do with your students to make a better lifestyle and an educated population.
I just want to say thank you to the Nampa community for passing our school district levy. It really makes a huge impact on all of the students in our district, so thank you.
I was just glad the community was able to come together and pass this levy. I think it's a great thing for both Columbia and Skyview. It benefits athletes and it benefits teachers and just the whole district, and I'm glad that we were able to get it through.
Thank you, Nampa. Your support means that we can continue to provide updated materials and resources to support teaching and learning.
Thank you for supporting the levy and supporting our kids. They need it, and looking forward to see, how in the future how this helps.
Thank you, Nampa family and friends.
I just want to tell everybody out there, thank you for getting out and voting. Thank you for passing this levy. It really is something that we need and funding that we have to have in order to continue to do what we do here, and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you all very much for getting out and voting for the levy. We definitely appreciate it in the music world. It really helps us run our program. Without this, instruments go untouched. They are hard to get prepared, getting us new music for the students. It's so appreciated in the music world here at South Middle School and through the district.
I'm super excited that the community got together and gave us the opportunity to play baseball at better conditions.
It's always a good thing because it's all about the kids, and so this is a good day for the entire district. And thank you, community, for voting it.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone who took time to go out and vote. We greatly appreciate it. It is going to have a huge impact on not just our school and our specific blended learning model, but the entire Nampa School District.
Just wanted to say thank you so much. It was so exciting to wake up this morning and see that the levy passed. It means the world. It means everything can remain the same and improve in our school district, and we appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you.
Thanks, community, for supporting us. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for stepping out yesterday and supporting our school, supporting our community. You have no idea the impact that this will make on our kids and our schools and our ability to provide quality education, quality opportunities for our students. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you for being part of the team.